I held the world in my hands, framed in light and perfect plans. Each moment was a story to weave. Now it's a dream I can't retrieve. The lens of my soul used to shine, now it's clouded, lost to time. Dust on the dreams I used to know, fading faster than I can let go. I was a storyteller, a painter of light. I was a dreamer who chased the night. I was a creator, a builder, a name. Now I'm just echoes of a flickering flame. Each frame was a moment, a life preserved. Now I wonder, was it all deserved? With thrills gone, the passion's dry, I scroll through my past and wonder why. Was it the pressure, the grind, the race? Or did I just lose the spark, the chase? The tools I held now feel so strange, a reminder of what I can't exchange. I was a storyteller, a keeper of dreams. I was alive in those vibrant scenes. I was a creator, a purpose, a voice. Now I'm just someone without a choice. Can I find the fire again? Do I even know where to begin? Or is it okay to let it rest and say goodbye to what was my best? I was a storyteller, I captured the sun. Now I'm the one who feels overrun. Maybe I'll rise, or maybe I'll stay, but I'll always remember who I was yesterday.